Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about cabinet handle hardware. Just as jewelry and accessories add the finishing touches to the perfect outfit, we like to think of cabinet handles as the finishing touches to your kitchen. An opportunity perhaps to express your style and good taste. At Fit, our cabinet handles are designed and made in Italy. We consulted with Kiwi designers to handpick cabinet handles and knobs from Citterio Giulio's range, choosing styles and finishes that suit Kiwi tastes. Citterio Giulio are a fabulous family-run supplier who first began production just after World War II, so they've been around for more than 75 years. They have their own production facility and also work cooperatively with small workshop-based artisans for truly unique designs and for small run flexibility. Our range includes D handles, bar handles, bow handles, cup handles, plus T-bar and round knobs. For many styles, we offer a range of sizes and finishes, and there's very good color consistency as well. We thought that an explainer about handle types might be helpful for you if you were just starting out on a kitchen renovation or a new kitchen project. Here we go. D handles are the most common type of handle and are often called a pull. Usually they attach to a door or drawer with a screw at each end and with room in the center for your fingers to grip. They may be mounted vertically or horizontally. Bar handles are posts that are supported by two pillars. The post may extend past the pillars, which can look terrific. Though if you ask someone who wears flowing garments, these ends can be known to catch your clothing. Bar handles may be mounted vertically or horizontally as well. Bow handles are usually streamlined and often used on sliding or swinging doors. Cup handles are usually quite solid and tend to look more traditional. Usually they're mounted with the opening facing down so that they don't trap crumbs and dust. T-knobs are often in a range with a bar handle. A small section of the post is mounted on a pillar to create a knob. Round knobs, quite self-explanatory really. They have one fixing point and are more commonly used on drawers than on cupboards. As to what's better to use, handle or knob, in most cases this really does come down to your own preference. If you tend to have quite heavy drawers, it might be worth noting that a handle with two fixing points will likely stay attached and in place longer. And now a couple of points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. Our handles come with screws that are suitable for board up to 18mm. They have an accurate screw hole and thread, making for easier installation if you don't have to enlarge holes in cabinets to line up.